This is City Update. Taipei, Taiwan is celebrating 40 years as a Phoenix sister city, and to help recognize this wonderful relationship, two artists, Taiwanese artists Lee Ko-mei and his daughter Lee Ha-chen, are doing a live art demonstration for us. Thank you both for being here. I'm here again with Wen Chu, who's going to help us with some translations as well. So this is amazing. They're renowned artists in Taiwan, aren't they?
Yeah, they're the national treasure of Taiwan. His artwork is really well received, and they not only that he does demonstration, but he teaches younger generation to carry on all the wonderful arts. His artwork has been placed in the president's office and throughout the different museums as well.
In Taipei, but also they're here now, and it's also been in the Arizona Capitol, as well as Phoenix City Hall as well. Well, we're going to watch this live demonstration, and you're going to help us let us know what they're kind of what they're painting. So let's move over on this side real quick, and then I believe I am starting.
You're starting, yes.
Okay, so I need a brush. Okay. And then we can move them over. So okay, so I'm just going to do my artistry. Oopsie.
Big question.
Is that okay?
Oh. Beautiful.
Beautiful? Okay, Shay. Okay, I have no idea what I just did, but we'll watch their artistry from there. Okay, so this is a traditional, this is going to be a lotus? Is that what we're thinking, or?
Yes, it's going to be like a lotus flowers. It represents peace and harmony.
Okay. Okay, peace and harmony. I love it. Now, they, of course, make this look very, very easy, and we're going to watch their artistry. Now, they not only do this type of art, they do clothing wears as well, and they can do ties and umbrellas.
Umbrellas. And not only the traditional one you do on paper, but right now they do on clothing. You can do like a fashion show, on ties, on hats, umbrellas. So anything that you can find a medium for, they'll be able to find some way to put it on there.
Wow. So this gentleman has done, I'm sure, thousands and thousands of students that have come a long way from Taiwan, and they're now, master artists themselves.
Yes, and not only right now, he also carry on for the next generations. So the daughters carry on, and they teaches different young students so they can learn and use the practice of painting.
Now, can you ask what style of the painting is this called? Or do you?
他问你是什么样的画法？
我们这个是北派的，它有分岭南跟这个北派，我们是属于北派的。
Okay, so there's different type of regional ones. So this is one particular region that they do, which is like a really traditional type of painting styles.
Okay. It looks like a kind of an eggplant kind of color, if you will, but it's just, oh, I'm seeing it now. Oh my goodness, I'm seeing it from this version, and it's going this way.
Yeah.
Very, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
I love it.
She add on a little twist to it, but by using colors. And traditional wise is only the black and white. So they don't have that one shade and the black, and they make different arrangement of diverse colors between. Her unique style is that she adds just a bit of color within using the traditional method of drawing.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Now, do they actually have a school in Taipei, Taiwan? Because I know he has students. Does he have an art gallery, art studio, or just a regular?
They have schools, and they go to universities to teach as well.
And the red?
Red represents good luck, good wealth, and protection.
Very nice. So let's sit back and kind of enjoy the artistry of this all.
Yes.
It's amazing how quickly this is being done.
Traditionally, the painting might take for others about a week to a month to draw. But they're very good at the artist, so they're going to try to finish it very briefly.
Very nice. It's all in the flip of the, and then, okay, now he comes and puts on his master touches as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
你这个不要再加了是吧？
so it's
And I want to point out, he's 91 years old, and he is still painting and still teaching.
painting and teaching.
It's amazing. Yeah, I can see why you say that's a national treasure.
It's a national treasure, yeah. So he teaches and paints, and basically the trick is the way you hold the pen and how you twist it. Just a little bit slightly. If you notice it, that will give you the technique.
I am noticing the twist of the wrist a little bit, yes. I just did a flare, boom, boom, boom. I don't know. Beautiful.
So it'll be the lotus and the crab.
Okay, now what does the crab represent?
Good fortune, good wealth.
Oh, good. I need all of that. Good fortune and good wealth, yes. Very nice. The lotus is beautiful. I can see it really coming alive. Oh, yes. All the little touches.
Other
Yes.
touches.
Now, I'm sure that they get a lot of work commissioned as well, too, from the government or just from people, personal.
Some of them personal. A lot of them are like officials. They would like to learn from him, learn his uniqueness of style of paintings.
And this is so beautiful to bring all this. This is, again, all part of the 40th anniversary relationship with Taipei, Taiwan, and the city of Phoenix as a sister city.
Yes, we wanted to showcase some of the talents of the people from Taipei.
So when you have two crabs, you get double luck, right?
Double
When you
luck.
have two crabs, yes. Beautiful. And I'm sure they're perfectionists, right? Or they just like, it's interesting just the shadows and how this has really
Shadow.
morphed into this beautiful lotus.
It's all by just one brush.
I've noticed that. I don't see them switching out a lot of things. They're just doing dipping in the water and the
Dipping in
colors.
water. And so sometimes the bigger the brush, the bigger the item that you can draw, the smaller the brush is more detailed.
Right. And then the water, I noticed sometimes they're dipping in water and sometimes not. It's the thickness or the,
Yeah.
you know, okay.
When you dip in water, you want it more like running type of style. So maybe you can draw like water or a waterfall type of thing, or something that's light.
Okay.
Because you only have that one shade of color, so you want to make sure if you want it kind of dry, you make it a new brush, but don't put any water, and you get more of the rock and the sand.
Got it. Got it. Uh-oh, now we're doing the triple whammy of the crab, so that's good. I love it. It's like the mommy, daddy, and the baby crab. That's what I love about your culture, too. There's so much symbolism and meaning behind so many of your things. Whether it be the food, you know, for the new year,
For
you
New
do
Year.
the New Year's, or even the artistry in itself.
And usually when you do art and you want to give it as a present it to someone, they always ask you what is the occasion. If you want something like for long life, for birthdays, or it's a celebration, having like a couple, and the artist would then use that and draw for your particular
good.
event.
Okay, very good. Well, it looks like we're getting close, huh?
We're getting close.
And talk about the official signature and the stamp, which we'll see here in a moment that happens. How that's so different here in your culture compared to our artists who just
Right.
sign at the bottom.
Like in the Western artists, usually after they paint something, they'll do the signature. Over there, we do the signature as well as we do a seal. The seal is like the official signature here, and it depending on the artist. Some artists also are a calligrapher, then they will just do that one seal.
Got
And
it.
some of the artists are not calligrapher; they will have a special calligrapher to write it. Then you see multiple seals. So the seal is just basically telling you their
official.
official signature.
It's official. It's official. That's a
official.
certification, yes.
Yes, the certification of everything.
Now, does that color the crabs?
Yeah, for you.
Oh, for me, I need luck, and this is good in luck. And I have my 2 daughters and myself, so this
Yeah.
is perfect. Yes, I love it. Oh, beautiful, Shay Shay. Oh, beautiful. And are we going to do the official stamp? Your certification?
Oh, he's going to write the name, the date. Usually they put like a title, a date, and the like signing first, and then they will put the official.
I see. Okay.
So
Beautiful.
He's adding final touches.
I see his final touches. This is his work. Oh,
Yeah.
beautiful.
So if you notice that it's dark and light, usually the dark is towards you, the bigger thing is towards you. When you go back, it gets lighter, and then he draws it a little bit smaller, so you have the depth.
Beautiful. We're putting this up here at Phoenix TV.
Yeah.
Yes.
So he's like doing a little bit lighter one, so you can see more of a dimension.
I love it. It's beautiful. I know it's kind of hard for our viewers to see it because they're kind of seeing it upside down, but trust me, it is gorgeous, and we will show you the finished product here in a moment. It's just kind of cool to see the artist at work and creating this masterpiece, if you will. Beautiful. Of course, I love the red. Yeah, is there connectivity with the crabs? I guess it
You
is.
want to
Yes.
connect it to it and
See, now I would never know what the relationship was between the crabs and the lotus until you said, you know, that's prosperity
and harmony.
and harmony with, I guess it's nature.
Nature.
And, yes, okay. Mother Earth.
Yes. He's adding like final touches.
Amazing. This is an incredible talent to have, yes. Very pretty. He's just making sure all that white space is just filled up, yes. God, that is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. How do you say beautiful again?
很美，
Heme?
很美，
Henmei. Henmei.
他说很美。
Henmei, yes.
好了，结束了。
So this is also a
他想看你们按图章。
好，OK。其实你们要看什么，我们都可以画，公鸡啊、小鸡啊，什么都可以。
She can draw all type of things: roosters, bamboo, landscaping, so all type of things.
incredible, beautiful.
要不要勾筋呐？
不要了，
不要勾筋
不，要勾筋了。我们现在时
He's a
间为主
perfectionist. He wanted
Yes.
to still continue.
写字的。
写字啊。
Oh, he's going to complete
Yeah,
some
he can
spacing right
space
here.
it. Yeah.
He's not leaving one bit of white space here. Okay.
He's going to write the calligraphy,
Okay, and this is where they put the signature.
the signature.
And the certificate.
Usually they give you some type of title on there, and then they will then sign the signature with the date. So you know exactly when he complete the work.
Got it. Okay. So we can move this, help him out a little bit to move this closer for him to sign it. Okay, this is official.
一墨，墨，墨。
This almost looks like this is. What kind of paper is this?
This is type of like a rice cotton, like combination of rice and cotton together.
Beautiful. We are definitely putting this up in our green room. Okay, so now explain to me, we're doing the calligraphy, which is his official signature.
Yes, he's going to write you a title
Okay.
and a date, and then he's going to sign his name
Okay.
officially, and then the final touch will be putting the seal back on. So that will be the completion of the work.
Very, very nice. Beautiful.
So he happens to be both a calligrapher and a painter. So he can do both.
没有问题。
Yeah. He'll make something out of that, I'm sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Boy, that calligraphy is just it's something else. You really. Now that's just one letter, right? Each of those characters, or so it could be a word.
Each one is a word.
Okay.
It's by characters.
Okay. Oh, by characters. Okay, gotcha. See, this is also a cultural program here at Phoenix TV. Absolutely, celebrating diversity. Very cool. Wow. Nice and steady too. Okay, so how can we help? Here, put this here, further here.
帮忙拿一下。
Okay.
帮忙拿一下。
Okay. Oh, yeah. To remember all that, that's hard.
So this part that he put in the title,
Uh-huh.
and basically want everything to be peaceful, like the whole world be at peace.
Oh, yes. Wouldn't that be nice? Yes.
And
I
then
love it.
Right now he's putting down like where he's draw the painting.
Yes.
So I put like in Phoenix and then the date.
Oh, very nice. Can you put Phoenix TV? Yes. That's okay.
He did put down Phoenix TV.
Oh, he did put Phoenix TV.
He did for Phoenix TV.
I love it.
He put down Phoenix TV, so this is one of a kind.
It is one of a kind, and we are celebrating our 35th anniversary, so this is very, very cool. So thank you so very much, Shay Shay. That's awesome. Very, very cool. Beautiful. Boy, this is so intricate. My goodness. How does he remember all that?
All of them are different characters.
I know, that's what I'm
The
saying.
last one
It's
is
just
like television.
it's Phoenix TV. We're doing Phoenix TV.
Phoenix
in
TV.
Chinese.
灰尘要不要？要不要灰尘？
要
好。
要。
Well, this definitely is a first that we're getting all this special treatment and special attention.
So that part right there that he just finished is talk about Phoenix 11.
Very nice. Thank you so very much.
And now he's writing the date.
Okay. Okay. And we're still in the year of, are we the year of the dog? What are we? The year of
Year of the pig.
The year of the pig. I knew that. Year of the dog was
pig.
like 2 years ago,
Yeah,
right?
Year of the
Something like
pig,
that, yes. Not for very much longer. Before you know it, we'll be getting the
Before
new
we know,
year.
yeah, in January.
And we'll have to have you back to do the cooking segment about what the traditional foods
Yes.
are for Taiwan come the new year.
Yes, definitely.
And what is the new year going to be?
The rat.
Ooh.
It's the
Ooh.
smart rat.
Okay. It's just unbelievable how, I mean, and he's very steady. I mean,
steady.
he's unbelievable. He's 91 years old, and he's not missing a beat here.
And right now he's signing the name.
Okay. This is like the whole alphabet for us. Yeah.
It tells you that the artwork is done by both artists.
Very nice. And wonderful, wonderful team, too, and a tribute to her father. You know, they have her actually doing his craft, too. And it's very, very nice.
等一下，等一下，
And now they do the official stamping.
There's a stamping.
So I help you here with this.
这是大笔大笔，不是不是这个，
不要再画了，画那个，画那扣子，
等一下等一下，
Oh, that's gorgeous.
一点点就。
Oh, see, he'll
Yeah.
fix the
He'll
little,
fix the
he had a
little-
little dropping, so I see.
So he's gonna go.
Oh, he
fix
doesn't,
the-
again, a perfectionist. He doesn't mess around.
No.
因为刚拍了2点，把它这样加上去。
So you can fix and you can't tell.
Mm-mm. It's a part of the art. Art, yes, very much so. And it goes along. Voila! I should say, beautiful. Shay Shay, this is beautiful.
你盖啊，我盖。
Okay, so we do the stamp now, the certification, right? Because that's kind of, oh, this is it right here. So explain to our viewers again what this is.
This is just part of just the ink itself.
Okay.
And then you have carved the different stamps. So like artists will have their own carving of the stamps. The stamping is very important because when we sell houses and stuff, we use also the stamp. It's like that
like
stamp
the
is you.
seal. It's the seal
The
of
seal.
your- yes.
That is the seal is basically meaning you. It's you.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's like your fingerprint,
It's a
if you
fingerprint.
will.
Yes.
Okay. So on this masterpiece, now this is a seal from both artists?
You get the seal from both artists, and then you'll get like the seal for the calligraphy as well.
So this is official and authentic. We are definitely putting this in our green room because it will go. That's a perfect. We have a perfect wall for it. I can tell you. Next time you back. Next
Yes.
time you come back, you'll see it hanging.
I will see it.
Yes. Okay, so I'll put this right here. Wow. Like wax, like thick.
Yeah,
it's kind of.
thickness. And typically it's always red.
Okay. So this is the first name, I'm assuming, and this is the second. Okay. Because of the space that we're leaving, yes. You let that sit for a second? Yes. There you go. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm hoping that we can see if we can turn it so we can show the final to the viewers. Okay, there you go. There you go.
这个弦章呢，弦章在一个。
And then we can maybe pick it up and turn
Pick
it?
it up,
Okay.
He's going to do one more seal.
Okay, one
for
more
the
seal.
kill.
Okay. This is a very meticulous process, and I know it for something like this, you know, could take hours, days. I mean, just to get it. And we did this in a just quick, you know, a few minutes, just to show, just kind of show what it takes to put together, this piece of artwork. And of course, they're master artists at this, so please try this at home because we want to encourage more artists. Absolutely. And this is just another seal of the certification.
Yes.
Okay.
可以了。
So they're going to turn around and show it.
Okay, so let's go and oh my goodness, fabulous, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much for being with us today. Thank you for sharing your beautiful talents and your Taiwanese treasure.
Yes.
Thank you, Winshu.
Thank you so much for having us.
Absolutely. For City Update, I'm Deborah Cedillo Dugan.